Welcome students. Myself Professor Durgesh Kumar Potangale, Assistant Professor, Computer Science, Government VYT PG Autonomous College, Durg. Today lecture is MSc 4th semester Computer Science, Paper 2nd, Artificial Intelligence and Expert System. Unit 3rd, Expert Systems. Artificial Intelligence Expert System. Expert systems are one of the prominent research domain of AI. It is introduced by the researchers at Stanford University, Computer Science Department. What are expert systems? The expert systems are the computer applications developed to solve complex problems in a particular domain at the level of extraordinary human intelligence and expertise. Characteristics of expert system: high performance, understandable, reliable, highly responsive. Capabilities of expert system: the expert system are capable of advising, instructing and assisting human in decision making, demonstrating, driving a solution, diagnosis, explaining, interpreting input, predicting results, justifying the conclusion, suggesting alternative option to a problem. They are incapable of substituting human decision makers, processing human capabilities, producing accurate output for inadequate knowledge base, refining their own knowledge. Component of expert system. The component of expert system includes knowledge base, inference engine, user interface. Let us see the one by one briefly. Here the picture showing human expert system and knowledge engine is knowledge base, interface engine and user interface in connected to together, and user knowledge base. It contains domain specific and high quality knowledge. Knowledge is required to exhibit intelligence. The success of any expert system majorly depend upon the collection of highly accurate and precise knowledge. What is knowledge? The data is collection of fact. The information is organized and as data and fact about the task domain. Data, information and past experience combined together are termed as knowledge. Components of knowledge base. The knowledge base of an expert system is store of both future and heuristic knowledge. Future knowledge, it is the information widely accepted by the knowledge engineers and scholars in the task domain. Heuristic knowledge, it is about practice, accurate judgment, one's ability of evaluation and guessing. Knowledge representation, it is the method used to organize and formalize the knowledge in the knowledge base. It is the form of if then else rules. Knowledge acquisitions. The success of any expert system majorly depend on the quality, completeness and accuracy of the information stored in the knowledge base. The knowledge base is formed by readings from various expert scholars and the knowledge engineers. The knowledge engineers is a person with the qualities of empathy, quick learning and case analyzing skill. He acquires information from subject expert by recording, interviewing and observing him at work, etc. He then categorizes and organizes the information in a meaningful way in the form of if then else rules to be used by interface machine. The knowledge engineer also monitors the development of the expert system. Interface engine use of efficient procedure and rule by the information engine enforce engine is essential in deducting a correct flawless solution. In the case of knowledge based expert system, the interface inference engine accurates and manipulates the knowledge from the knowledge base to arrive at a particular solution. In case of rule based expert system, it apply rule repeatedly to the fact which are obtained from earlier rules application. Add new knowledge into the knowledge base if required. Resolve rules conflict when multiple rules are applicable to a particular case. To recommend a solution, the inference engine uses the following strategies: forward chaining, backward chaining. Forward chaining, it is a strategy of an expert system to answer the question what can happen next. Here the inference engine follow the chain of conditions and derivations and finally deducts the outcome. It considers all the facts and rules and sorts them before concluding to a solution. The strategy of forward followed for working on conclusion. Result are effect. For example, prediction of share market state as an effect on changes in interest rate. Here the show fact 1, 2, 3, 4 and decision 1, 2 and are. So in forward. Backward chaining, with this strategy, an expert system find out the answer to the question why this happened on the basis of what has already happened. The inference engine tries to find out which conditions could have happened in the past for this result. This strategy is followed for finding out cause or reason. For example, diagnosis of blood cancer in humans. So in fact 1, fact 2, fact 3, but here is a backward changing. User interface provides interaction between user of the expert system and the expert system itself. It is generally natural language processing so as to be used by the user who is well versed in the task domain. The user of the expert system need not be necessarily an expert in artificial intelligence. It explains how the expert system has arrived at a particular recommendation. The explanation may appear in the following forms: natural language displayed on screen, verbal narrations in the natural language, listing of rule numbers displayed on the screen. The user interface make it easy to track the credibility of the discussion. Requirements of efficient expert system user interface. It should help users to accomplish their goals in sorted, published way. Second, it should be designed to work for users' existing or desired work practices. And third, the technology should be adaptable to users' requirements, not the over the way round. And fourth, it should make efficient use of user input. Expert system limitation. No technology can offer easy and complete solution. Large systems are costly, require significant development time and computer resources. Expert systems have their limitation, which include limitation of the technology, difficult knowledge acquisition, expert system are difficult to maintain, high development cost. Applications of expert system. The following table show where expert system can be applied. One side application and their side descriptions. Design domain, medical domain, monitoring system, process control system, knowledge based domain, financial, commerce, any other extra. Expert system technology. There are several levels of expert system technologies available. Expert system technologies include system expert system development environment. The expert system development environment include hardware and tools. They are workstation, mini computers, mainframes, high level symbolic programming language such as lists programming, lists, and programming on logic proglo. Tools, they reduce the effort and cost involved in developing an expert system to large extent. Powerful editors and debugging tools with multi-window. They provide a rapid prototyping and have inbuilt definition of model, knowledge representation, and inference design. Cell. A cell is nothing but an expert system without knowledge base. A cell provides the developers with knowledge acquisition, inference engine, user interface, and explanation facility. For example, few cells are given below. Java Expert System Cell, JESS, that provides fully developed Java API for creating an expert system. VDON, a cell developed at the National Center for Software Technology, Mumbai in 1993. It is enable knowledge encoding in the form of if-then rules. Development of expert system, general steps. The purpose of expert system development is iterative step in developing the expert system include identify problem domain. The problem must be suitable for an expert system to solve it. Find the expert in task domain for the expert system project. And third, establish cost effectiveness for the system. Design the system, identify the expert system technology. Second, known and establish the degree of integration with the other system and database. Third, realize how the concept can represent the domain knowledge best. Develop the prototype. From knowledge base, the knowledge engineers work to acquire domain knowledge from the expert. Represent it in the form of if-then cell rules. Test and refine the prototype. The knowledge engineers use simple case to the test the prototype for any difficult deficiency in performance. End users test the prototype of the expert system. Develop and complete the expert system. Test and ensure the interaction of the expert system with all elements of its environment, including an end user database and other information system. Document the expert system project well. And third, train the user to use expert system. Maintain the system. Keep the knowledge base up to date by regular review and update. Cater from new interface with other information system as those systems evolve. Benefit of expert system. Ability. They are easily available due to mass production of software. Less production cost. Production cost is reasonable. This makes them affordable. Speed. They offer great speed. They reduce the amount of work in individual put in reducing risk. They can work the environment dangerous of humans. Is- Steady response. They work steadily without getting emotional tested of fatigued. Major example of expert system. There are numerous example of expert system. Some of them are Mycin. This was one of the earliest expert system that was based on backward chaining. It has the ability of identify various bacteria that causes several infections. It is also capable for recommending drugs based on the personal weight. Dendral. This was an AI based expert system used essentially for chemical analysis. It used the substance spectrographic data in order to predict its molecular structure. R1X1. This expert system had the ability to select specific software to generate a computer system as per user performance. PAXDES. This system could easily determine the type and the degree of lung cancer in patient based on limit data. CADET. This is a clinical support system that identifies cancer in earlier stages. DexPlan. This is also a clinical support system that is capable of suggesting a various of diseases based on just the findings of the doctor. Traditional system, various expert system. A key distinction between the traditional system as opposed to the expert system is the way in which the problem related expertise is coded. Essentially, in conventional applications, the problem expertise is encoded in both program as well as data structure. On the other hand, in expert system, the approach of the problem related expertise is encoded in data structure only. Moreover, the use of knowledge in expert system is vital. However, traditional system use data more efficiently than the expert system. One of the biggest limitations of conventional system is that they are not capable of providing explanations for a conclusion for a problem. That is because this system try to solve problem in a straightforward manner. However, expert systems are capable of not only providing explanation but also simplifying the understanding of a particular conclusion. Generally, an expert system use symbolic representation of perform computational. On the contrary, conventional systems are incapable of expressing this term. The only simplify the problems without being able to answer the how and why question. Moreover, the problem solving tools are present in expert system as opposed to the traditional ones, and hence various type of problems are most often entirely solved by the expert of the system. Human system versus expert system. One side human system and second side expert system in so the table.